In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Artistly profile info in Artistly AI. First, log into your Artistly account and go to your dashboard. From there, look for the User drop-down menu, usually found at the top right corner of the screen, and select Profile. This is where you can edit your personal details like your name, username, email, and profile picture. To make changes, simply click the field you want to update, type in the new information, and save your edits. You can also review other settings like password and API information. Once you're done, make sure to click Save Changes so your updated profile is applied successfully. Also, don't forget to double-check your profile details after saving to make sure everything updated correctly. If anything looks wrong, just go back and edit it again anytime from the same settings page. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to use the affiliate link in the description.